What's going on, TPFX? It's Fractal back with another video. Today is November 4th. We're in the beginning of a new month. I'm making this video for a overview of what we should be looking for in the dollar index going into November. So let's get straight into the video. If you go into my prior videos trading for the October candle, I mentioned we are in a discount, meaning we should be looking for buys. Reason being, September we ran below an old low, so we picked up a major discount on the monthly. So now we are trading back higher and we're trading back above this high right now. And what I can see above price action is this fair value gap with the order block, these three candles going up. So I'm going to mark out the fair value gap and I'll mark out the fair value gap above it. But as I said, we ran below this old low, picked up a discount, and we're trading back higher. So any of these levels on the monthly can be premium levels for price to trade into, and then either continue higher or reverse. So let's go down to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, it's just the same thing, but with more price action. So let's clean up the chart. We see we ran below in September, continued trading up. We had some bullish order flow. Order flow is basically when bearish candles like this one trade into other bearish candles. So this is a bullish order block. We pick up a discount and we trade higher, right? The next order block would obviously be this one. So we're gonna draw it out for the weekly time frame. So that is a discount level that the weekly time frame could pick up and trade higher. We have this old high back here, right? So this old swing high on the daily, on the weekly. This is a premium level. So if price trades above it, we can look for intra-week reversal. But looking from this high, which is the next high, down to this low, yes, we are in a premium, but we still have this rejection block right here as a price level that price can go up to. So we'll see that on a daily chart. And then looking above, we have this order block here. So let's refine it. This level here and this level here is basically lining up with this fair value gap on the weekly. So let me refine it. We have the low here, and then I'm going to just draw this up higher. Because from this low to this high, we only had one pass through, making this area a imbalance, right? So yes, we're all the way down here on the weekly chart. Price can trade up all the way into this fair value gap because there's no buy side in here. There's only sell side, right? So let's go down to the daily. And this is like your benchmark time frame where you can see the market in the last 20 days or in the last 40 or 60 days and see where price is relative to the ranges created on the daily time frame using those monthly and weekly PD arrays that we have on the chart now. So as you can see, price trades below, we trade up. Bullish order flow is on every market because, or in every time frame, all of these markets and time frames are fractal. So we have this down close candle here. We trade up, we pick up a discount, right? Then from that discount, we trade up, we break the structure, and we trade back down. We pick up another discount on this order block, right? As you can see, you would have to be on a daily chart to see these order block because this wasn't on the weekly. However, this level here lines up with these down close candles, and this was on the weekly time frame. So I can refine it to this fair value gap here, which I did in my previous videos with this volume imbalance right here. So you can refine that weekly level into a gap. The daily chart trades down into that gap, and look, you have a nice rally up. So now the next level for the weekly time frame, to pick up a discount on the daily time frame would be this down close candle, these three down close candles right here, this bullish order block here, and these are the weekly levels here. But if you look closer, we have an imbalance. We have a gap right here. So let me just draw that out. So price can trade back down on a daily time frame into this high here, this fair value gap, or back down into this low, the lower end. Or we can trade up today, Wednesday, above this old high, create a Wednesday high of the week and trade down. Or we can be super bullish and just continue trading up into the next potential premium level, which would be this up close candle on the daily time frame, right? So hopefully you guys can see what I'm looking at on a daily time frame for November. If we trade back down and pick up a discount somewhere in here, I'll be looking for an optimal trade entry, and then we'll be using the extension levels to see how far we can get above the main old high back in May, right? But for short term, we're looking at this old high and then this order block on the weekly. So even if we go into a 1 hour time frame for today, we're trading in the Asia session right now. As you can see, price can trade above this old high, clear out some stops, and then we can trade back lower below these lows into these discount levels on the daily, weekly, and monthly, right? So I'll say watch for any runs on highs, and if you see any type of reversal formation, don't necessarily think that that's a full reversal because we still have discount levels down here, right? So hopefully you guys got something from that. This was just a quick overview of November, where we can go where the discount and premium levels are on the higher time frame. TPFX out.